If you've been looking for a way to make money online, then you've come to the right video, because I'm going to show you a super easy way to make $100 or more per day online over and over again. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Wilkins and welcome back. We're all about making money here, and today I got a good one for you. It's easy and this one could be done worldwide. There is a tiny bit of work involved, but there's nothing complicated about what I'm going to show you today, and you can get set up pretty quickly. Before I begin with today's method though, there is something that I want you to take into consideration, and that's, as you're watching this video, I want you to think bigger. Think outside the box. Use this video as a reference. Take what you learned today and find creative ways to make this stand out. So today's method will involve the mobile app Instagram. You can use your existing Instagram if you like, or if you want, you can go ahead and set up an alternate account. I'll go into more detail about this a little bit later in the video, and trust me, it will make much more sense. But for now, keep in mind that Instagram is needed for today's method to work. So the first thing we need to do is find you products to promote. And what I want you to do is head over to a site called Redbubble.com. Here on this site, they sell all sorts of physical products like masks, phones, cases, art accessories, all sorts of stuff. Something you'll also notice is that I have Pennsylvania inside the search bar. Keep this in the back of your mind for now. And what I want you to do next is head on down to the bottom of the page and click on the link that says affiliate. Okay. On this page, go ahead and start filling out the information. In the company section, if you're wondering about this information, just use your name as the company name and your current address, and everything should be fine. Right after that, you have partner type. This is how you're going to promote Redbubble. Go through the options and choose content. Now right under that is property type. This is what platform you're going to use to promote Redbubble. Go ahead and choose Instagram. Once you do that, they're going to ask you for your Instagram URL. This is where things start to come together now. Remember earlier when I showed you all of the PA related merch? If you haven't figured it out yet, we're going to be creating a location based fan page on Instagram. Here, I want you to check this out for a second. See this profile, Pennsylvania lovers? This Instagram has over 15,000 followers of people who live in, experience, and enjoy what the state of Pennsylvania has to offer. See, that's the great thing about the internet. You can find all sorts of people that are into all sorts of things, and there's almost always a way to monetize a person's interest. Now, I chose PA because that's where I'm from, but you could easily replace Pennsylvania with whatever city, state, or country you're from, and it will work all the same. Now that you understand what's going on, it's time for you to head back to Instagram and either modify your existing account or create a new account to reflect the fan account we're trying to create. So, just like this profile, you want to give it an appropriate name. This profile uses Pennsylvania lovers. You can go try something similar, or you can use something like fan or fanatic or something along those lines, and you just add whatever location you're going to use. I mean, you pretty much have plenty of options here. So we have an Instagram account now. Head back to Redbubble and enter the URL of the Instagram account you just created or altered. After that, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and finish the sign up. Once you get all that done, you'll be sent a verification email, and then you'll be given access to your affiliate link. Next thing we need to do is we need to clean up that affiliate link. So next you want to head over to a site called bit.ly or bit.ly. You'll be using this site to clean up and shrink that affiliate link. So next, take your affiliate link and paste it over here on the right, and you'll be given a shortened link. You can then take this link and use it as is, or you can customize the back half to personalize it. For example, I'm going to put something Pennsylvania related. Now that I have my shortened link, we're going to go ahead, head over to Instagram in the profile bio area, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to post that link. We need to start filling up this new account with content. There are 3 super easy ways to do this. First up, you want to open up a new tab and head over to a site called Pixabay. Here you can find all sorts of videos and images that you can use for free. You don't have to pay a dime, and you don't have to give credit to anybody for using this content. What I'm going to do next is type in Pennsylvania into the search bar. And as you can see, there are all sorts of imagery involving the different places located around Pennsylvania. Over 400 images actually. We're going to take these images of different places located in PA, or in your case, whatever place you decided to choose, and we're going to start downloading these images so that we can upload them to Instagram. Something you may want to do is create different folders for different locations. That way, instead of just uploading random images, you have themes. So one day it may be Philadelphia, then the day after it may be Harrisburg, and then the day after that it may be Gettysburg. You get the idea. The next place you can get content is actually from another account similar to yours. You can share their content straight to your Instagram account. You just have to make sure that if you do that, you give the original creator credit. Photographers take their work seriously, and you could cause yourself some serious trouble if you don't give the original creator their proper credit. Now, the third place to get images from or content is actually from Redbubble itself. The place where we're trying to get people to go, that affiliate link. You can share images of their merch straight to your account, which is why I suggested doing your uploads into themes earlier. Let me give you an example. So today, I decided my theme is going to be Philadelphia. So I plan to upload 4 images throughout the day. One of those images happens to be an upload of Boathouse Row, a very popular spot in Philadelphia. Because I know this is a popular spot, I'm going to head back over to Redbubble and try to find my next image, which is going to be merch related to Boathouse Row. And well, if we go into search and put in Boathouse Row, you can see sure enough, we have t-shirts and hoodies with the Boathouse Row design right on the shirt. And check this out. Look at those reviews. You have a majority of 5-star reviews, and on top of that, these reviews are recent. So you know this merch right now is selling. And because I know this is a hot product, I'm going to go ahead and share that image as my last image right after the image that I posted earlier of Boathouse Row. Does that make sense to you? So basically, we're going to take themes, okay, post images throughout the day, and then maybe the last image that you post during the day is merch related to one of the images that you posted earlier. Something you want to consider when posting these images, especially from Redbubble, is when you post these images, you want to make sure in your description that you're guiding people to your profile bio so that they can click on the link and purchase the merch. And remember, every time somebody purchases the merch from your affiliate link, you make a commission. Okay, and this is how you're going to get paid over and over again. So we have the products that we're going to sell. We have our content. Now all we need is the traffic. The great thing about social media and pretty much the internet in general is that you have the ability to target the people that you actually want to buy from you. So the last site we need to check out is a site called AllHashtag.com. That's all-hashtag.com. The way this works is that you provide a simple keyword, and based on that keyword, they provide you with all the relevant hashtags that you can use to target the people who are actually going to check out your content and buy from you. So going back to our example, we'll first use Philadelphia as our keyword. And as you can see, it gives me about 30 of the best tags related to Philadelphia. Then off to the right, you have other lists of hashtags related to Philadelphia. All you have to do is go through all of the relevant hashtags, copy them, and paste them to a notepad and save them somewhere for the time being. Okay? Then you want to go back to the search bar and put in Pennsylvania. Okay? And again, they show you 30 of the best relevant hashtags, okay, and right off to the side they show you some other ones, okay. Take the relevant ones and copy them to the notepad and save them for later. And now when it's time for you to upload your image, you also have the hashtags that you need to target the right people. Now you're not going to be able to use all those hashtags at once. I'm pretty sure you're going to have a lot of them, so just go ahead and mix and match the most relevant ones and essentially targeting the people who matter the most. And this is it. It does take a little bit of setup and you will have to be consistent, but once you get it going, sky's the limit. As I mentioned earlier, when it comes to the internet, you can find people who are fans of just about anything that exists. Sports, DIY like woodwork, cars, boats. These are just ideas that you guys can jump on and try. In this very instance, we're not trying to build a brand or be original. We're just sharing things with fans of a particular niche, and you know as well as I do, when people are real fans of something, they'll support it with their wallets. I hope that this makes sense. So that's what I got for today's video. Go out and give this a shot and let me know in the comments if you do. If you found this useful, do me a favor and hit that like button and share this out. Also make sure you check out the links down below. There's some good stuff down there for you. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.